Hello my beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. And oh my god, we just hit 50,000 subscribers. 0 से 50 का journey थोड़ा long था, but thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you for sharing it, subscribing, liking my videos. Everything contributed to where we are right now. And let's get to 1 lakh subscribers as soon as possible. And for that, I'll definitely need your support. And today's video is going to be Amazon home decor haul. You guys know we recently shifted to this new house. I'm redoing my room. So I'm constantly looking for pieces on Amazon to decorate this room. If you haven't watched my room makeover part 1, you should definitely check it out because part 2 is coming very soon. And you will find all of these pieces over there. So if you want to see how I style this in my room, then definitely look out for that video. And for that, make sure you hit the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications from my channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. If you don't know, Amazon had this amazing sale going on around July 26-27. 60 to 70% off था on major brands. ये सारे items जो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ was in my cart for a very long time. All of them are essential pieces and I wanted to wait for the right time and such good sale to pick up these items. So let's get started. The first thing I got is a vacuum cleaner. This is from the brand Agro and this is 800 watts which is more than enough for my household. अगर आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा heavy cleaning नहीं करना है and you just want to clean the upholstery, sofa, carpet, stuff like that which is once in a while, this is an amazing vacuum cleaner I feel. मैंने बहुत research किया खरीदने से पहले and this is what I settled on. One con I would say is it does get heat up very fast. Suppose if you're doing this upholstery, you have to do it twice. What I mean by that is you have to do it once and wait for this to cool down because बहुत जल्दी ये गर्म हो जाता है and then do the rest of the upholstery again, which I felt was a little irritating. But again, for the price that I'm paying and look at it, such a small vacuum cleaner. I hate जो इतने bulky होते हैं, उसको store करने का अलग झंझट हो जाता है. So according to my needs, ये बहुत ही अच्छा vacuum cleaner है and I'm not gonna return it. It's very good. इसके साथ जो cord आता है वो भी अच्छा खासा बड़ा है. If the socket is at one end of the room and you want to clean something over here, the cord is good enough. I think 2 meters का तो आराम से cord है. So that's that. And it comes with this extension. This is the filter that goes in and these two. So I use this for the upholstery and stuff to get everything well. This is great for the nooks and corners. जो मेरा wardrobe भी है, it is a sliding wardrobe. So जो railing होता है उसमें बहुत सारा dust हो जाता है. So this is great for that. Again, if you have something where your hand is not reaching, this is good for that. Teeny extension hai, which again I feel it's very sorted. These are the 3 very important extensions. I really like this vacuum cleaner and it works beautiful in my house. The second thing I got from Amazon is a handheld garment steamer from the brand Philips and it's not here right now because I've returned it. I'll tell you why. जो पानी का capacity होता है steamer का is so bad. Even if you iron or steam one clothing item, the pani is over. You have to refill it again. It's so annoying and irritating. And जो result मिल रहा था मुझे वो भी बहुत ही average था. I felt like I could have done it much faster and much better through a normal iron. So I decided to return it. The next thing I got from Amazon is this beautiful white chair for my work desk area. I've been looking for a chair for so long and I finally found this on Amazon, which I'm very happy about. It's all white, which again matches the aesthetic of this room perfectly. It has wheels, which is great because I am gonna use this work desk chair for the work desk area obviously, as well as the other side of the area where I get ready. And ये adjustable भी है तो आप ऊपर नीचे आराम से जा सकते हो. It does not have arms because the work desk area that I have, जो नीचे का portion है वो थोड़ा छोटा है. So without arms it slides in easily. So it gives me that space to walk in and out of that space because वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा crunched area है. Overall it's an amazing chair. मेरा back hurt नहीं होता है and I'm in love with it. The next item I got is the ceramic cactus vase. Now this I purely picked up for decoration piece. ऊपर मैंने 2 shelf लगाए हुए हैं. So this will probably go over there and I'm gonna put some fake plant over here. Real plant इसमें नहीं लगा सकते because नीचे कोई hole और draining system नहीं है. So I would not recommend putting a real plant, but fake plant you can totally put in it. and it's so cute. Also, the quality is really good. I am obsessing over this. The next item I picked out is this beautiful wall clock. Now, if you have seen the previous video, you would know कि वो marble वाला मैंने return कर दिया. It really didn't go well with the room, but this one, on the other hand, matches perfectly. The white wall पे stand out करता है और मेरा furniture भी है वो white and wood है. This wood is complementing that wood very nicely, and yeah, I really like it. The next thing I picked up are some pampas grass, and oh my god, that was such a big fail. उसके sticks टूटे हुए आए थे. जो pampas था वो इतनू सा था, and it was all squished. It was just horrible. For 500 rupees, I think मुझे अच्छा मिलना चाहिए था, but I didn't get it, so I returned it ASAP because I didn't want to take that risk of, you know, due हो जाता है date and then I couldn't return it because I didn't want to keep it at all. So as soon as it came, I saw it and I returned it. The next item I picked up is this beautiful rectangle glass tray. Now I already had this thing from the same brand and I really like the quality of it. Looks really good. So I definitely wanted to pick up a rectangular one. It's the same thing but in rectangle shape. This one I definitely wanted to keep the essential जो skincare करती हूँ every day, which I wanted to keep it outside. So I definitely wanted a tray to hold everything in and keep some decorative items to make sure कि ये area थोड़ा अच्छा दिखे. So that's why I got this. Next I picked up this woven jute planter for my plant जो मैं room में रखने वाली थी. I thought I'll keep it in this. It will look really good, go with the boho theme as well. But उसका जो radius है वो इसमें नहीं fit हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा. You know, the pot is very big and this can't accommodate that. I probably have to get a bigger one, but the quality is really good, but the plant won't fit in it, so I'll probably have to return it. But it's so cool and the material is really good as well. Next up I got a jewelry organizer. Now look at it, look at the color, it's so cute, no? And जब आप open करोगे इतने सारे organizers आएंगे. Here you can put the earrings and stuff. यहाँ पर आप chains लगा सकते हो and you can keep the rest of it over here. And rings यहाँ पर रख सकते हो. Any other jewelry, rings and stuff, you can keep it over here. I really like it. I'm gonna keep it in my wardrobe as well, and whenever I have to travel, I can just pack this and take it with me. I really like this organizer. Next up, I got potpourri and this beautiful glass vase. I am obsessing over this. The tint of this glass is so beautiful. It just gives such an eclectic vibe to the whole room. I love it. And the smell of this potpourri. This is Ocean Breeze and it smells divine. And इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे आपको decorative pieces भी मिल जाते हैं, which I can definitely reuse in the glass tray and stuff. And everything smells so good. You see, it's such cute pieces, shells and everything. Now, boho ke saath, this room has this green ocean vibe. It's just a piece of me and whatever I like, you'll see it in the room. And peach, I love. ये ocean breeze potpourri में मुझे ये सारे elements मिल रहे थे. I knew I had to get it. Smells divine. Like, what can I say? It looks beautiful and it smells divine. Keeping the beach vibe alive, I got a seashell wind chime. Isn't this beautiful? Can you see all the shells? But जो Amazon पे जो photo लगाया हुआ था, it was a little different. It had different colors and the one they sent me was definitely very basic. I don't know whether I should keep it or not. It's definitely beautiful and it looks handmade and the shells are very beautiful. Everything is good about it, but जो दिखाया था वो वैसा सेंड नहीं किया है, which a little bummed out about it, but it's so pretty. I don't know whether to keep it or not. Let me know in the comments down below. The next item I picked up is another vase. Now this I actually got to keep the pampas grass, which was an absolute fail. I will get the pampas grass from some other site or somewhere else, but look at it, it's so beautiful. It has a donut shape to it and the quality is really good. Even if I'm not keeping anything, it still is very good as a decorative piece and I really like it. Obviously you can't keep real plants in it because there is no drainage system, you'll probably kill it. So don't keep real plants, but fake plant, या फिर pampas, dried flowers, all of that stuff you can definitely use this vase to style it. The next item I picked up is another jewelry holder. Now this is straight up plastic, which I'm not liking. I thought this will be ceramic or glass or something like that, but this is straight up plastic. ये कभी भी टूट सकता है. ये I think will go like this. It looks pretty in camera, but in person बहुत ही fake और plasticky feel है इसका. यहाँ पर भी आप चीजें रख सकते हो, bracelet, watches like that, and over here you can put your chains, rings and stuff like that. It looks pretty. I'm gonna keep it in the wardrobe because ये actually return नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं. इसका day चला गया है. I think 7-day return था and it took a long time to film, so I didn't return it. And now when I checked, इसका ड्यू डेट चला गया है, so I have to keep it. It looks cute in camera though, so I'll keep it. I have to keep it. And the last item I got from Amazon is this beautiful grey poof. I definitely wanted to get this as a decorative item when I'm shooting in the background. इस पे मैं कुछ चीज़ें रख सकती हूँ. That was my main motive, just as a decorative item. But this is so useful. This definitely acts as an extra seating area. You can use this as a leg rest when you're sitting on the sofa. And थोड़ा skeptical थी ये लेने से because reviews जो थे उसमें लिखा हुआ था ये फटाक से फट जाता है and all of that. But I have been using this for quite some time now and this is so sturdy और ये proper woven है तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं फटेगा. आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी आई वुड से. एंड जो इसके अंदर है वो बीड्स है, जो बीन बैग के बीड्स होते हैं, दैट्स एक्जैक्टली व्हाट्स फिल इन इट. एंड या इट जस्ट इज लाइक अ बीन बैग बट मच स्टर्डी पूफ एरिया. आई कैन लिटरली यूज दिस इन द बैल्कनी एरिया एज वेल, जो बहुत ही छोटा है, 2 फीट का. आई वांटेड समथिंग स्मॉल टू फिट इन इट एंड दिस फिट्स परफेक्टली. सो या आई am obsessing over this. So that's it for today's video guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. That's all I got for the home decor part. I've also shopped a lot of clothing items, which will be another video coming up very soon. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. Don't forget to click on all to get all the notifications from my channel. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And the comment shout out goes to Vaishali Raja Gopalan. Vaishali, thank you so much for the comment. I'm so happy my video gave you the inspo. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.